Great, so here's our vocabulary for Module 1, Lesson 2. The first word we have is inequality. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that compares two unequal expressions using one of the symbols listed below. All right, so an inequality is going to compare two unequal expressions or quantities. All right, so for example, we have 5 times 10 is greater than 25 minus 8. Greater than. The greater than symbol is used to compare two quantities when the first quantity is larger than the second quantity. Right? So we always use a specific symbol. I know a lot of times we talk about the larger one eats the smaller one, or it eats the larger number. But in this case, when the larger quantity is listed first, we always use the greater than symbol. Right? So this is the opposite of a tipped L, which if you take your left hand and tip it, you'll notice that it looks, it makes an L, and if you tip it, that's actually the less than sign. So the greater than sign is the opposite of that. Next, we have greater than or equal to. So once again, it's a symbol used to compare two quantities when the first quantity is larger than, but now it also could be the same value as the second quantity. So for example, in this case, x can be greater than or equal to 10. So x could be 10, or it could be anything that's larger than 10. Next, we have less than. The less than symbol is used to compare two quantities when the first quantity is smaller, 2 L's and smaller, there we go, than the second quantity. All right, so again, 4 is listed first, so 4 is less than 9. Again, if you take your left hand, make that L and tip it, you'll notice that it looks like a less than sign. So that's always helped me to remember which symbol is which. And then less than or equal to is a symbol used to compare two quantities when the first quantity is smaller than or has the same value as the second quantity. Right? So in this case, x could be less than or equal to 10. This line underneath the symbol tells us that it could be or equal to. So the less than symbol is still the same. The line written underneath is the or equal to part.